What's up guys? Today I wanted to show you a couple of apps that I use to easily make money on my Android phone. I'd go as far as to say that this requires no effort whatsoever. So to demonstrate, I'll go ahead and unlock my phone using my fingerprint scanner. But before I get to my main home screen, you'll notice that there's a couple of other lock screens, both of which have ads. So this one is from an app called S'more, followed by this one from an app called Adme. So I'll show you again. Honestly, this is going to quickly turn into a habit where you can swipe away from both of these lock screens in a matter of seconds. And just for viewing these ads, even if you don't click on them, you do get paid. So the nice thing about S'more is that this app actually guarantees that you get 10 cents a day. You can see that I've earned 10 points every day I've used this app. And as for redeeming these points, you do have a number of options, all in the form of gift cards. So the options include Amazon, AMC, Applebee's, Best Buy, Domino's, GameStop, Google Play, Starbucks, and Target. For most of these stores, the minimum cash out is 500 points, which gets you a $5 gift card. But for Amazon, the minimum cash out is actually just 100 points. All of these gift cards are electronic, so I've had them sent to me within a few seconds of redeeming them. And now I'll show you another app called Adme. This one, it does not guarantee you a specific amount of cash, so it depends on the number of times you unlock your phone with an internet connection. But if you go to my history here, I have earned 10 cents almost every day. And this is even though I have my option set to just the newsfeed. They do have a full screen ad option as well, but I find these a bit more tedious since you have to press a button to exit rather than just swiping to the side. Another cool thing about this app is that you can get a 2 cents daily bonus just by visiting the bonus page. As for redeeming cash on Adme, unfortunately you can only do it twice a month, as it says here. But on the other hand, they do offer a lot more options, including PayPal Cash and gift cards to all of these stores listed here. The minimum cash out is $5, but you can actually redeem your entire account balance rather than a specific amount, such as $5 or $10, and you have the option of donating to charity as well. So I would highly recommend getting these two apps if you're looking to make some extra cash on your phone. I'll be sure to leave my referral links in the video description, and if you use these, you can get a 75-cent bonus just for signing up for S'more, and a 30-cent bonus for signing up on Adme. So feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you left a like if you think this video helped. Thanks for tuning in.